How to change country on Roblox. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you on how we can change country on Roblox. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon, and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to change the country in Roblox mobile, it is super easy. Head over to the Roblox application and log in into your Roblox account as well. Just wait for the piece to be loaded first, and you may just directly head over to the Me tab at the bottom right corner. After going here, you may just go up and look for settings here. Just open up settings and you're going to look at the option called account info, where you'll getting an edit option where you can change the country of your location, your country or location. So you may just directly go here and you may find this option called account location here. So right now I don't have this feature available, but most of the country already have this feature available where we can directly change the location through the mobile by just following the steps that I just told you. So you may just get down here and you can directly drop down all the option if that option is available for you. And if that option is not available, then you can just head over and go to the help and safety section, and you may just ask for help to the Roblox society, or you report a problem and ask them to change your reason or location, or you may directly send an email to them to their main email address, and they will contact you within 48 hours and help you change your country or location in your Roblox mobile. So that's how you basically change your country or location. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.